called budget. Now, I hate to tell you, Puerto Rico, but you've thrown our budget a little out of whack because we've spent a lot of money on Puerto Rico, and that's fine. It's fine. We've saved a lot of lives. If you look at the every death is a horror, but if you look at a real catastrophe like Katrina, and you look at the tremendous hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of people that died, and you look at what happened here with really a storm.
Every time I go and wipe my ass, I will remember of Donald J. Trump. Our people will fight with the weapons of knowledge. We will teach our children our history. We will teach our children not to enlist in any military branch. We will teach our children not to vote for el presidente. We will have a peaceful protest. We will show you love with anger and fury. And your concern is your money and your golf course. I hope you find a place that you can build up a golf court. I hope you could be there and play and grab your small white balls. Boricua, hasta la victoria. Puñeta.
Esta es la linda tierra que busco yo.